AI is changing everything. But did you know you don't need to spend a fortune to access amazing AI tools? Today I'm revealing 5 powerful AI tools you can use for free, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just someone looking to automate their life. Stay until the end, because the last tool on this list will blow your mind. Before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe if you love AI content. Let's go. First up, we have ChatGPT, your personal AI writing assistant. Whether you need to write emails, blog posts, social media updates, or even code, ChatGPT can do it in seconds. Just type in a prompt and boom, you get high-quality instant text. For example, I asked ChatGPT to write a YouTube script about AI, and in seconds it gave me a complete outline. This tool is revolutionary for writers, marketers, and students. You can try it for free at chat.openai.com. Next up, DALL-E, an AI that creates stunning images from text. Want a futuristic city skyline? A photorealistic cat in a spacesuit? Just type it, and the AI generates it in seconds. I typed a robot artist painting a masterpiece in a cyberpunk city. And look at this amazing result. No Photoshop skills needed. Try it out on OpenAI's website. Have you ever wanted to create music but didn't know how? AIVA is an AI that composes music in seconds. Whether you need background music for videos, meditation tracks, or epic cinematic scores, AIVA has you covered. I asked AIVA to create a chill lo-fi beat, and it generated this amazing track. Check it out at aiva.ai. Editing videos has become much easier with Runway ML. This AI tool allows you to remove backgrounds, generate special effects, and edit videos without needing professional skills. Imagine cutting objects out of videos with just one click. Here's a clip where I remove the background without a green screen, pure AI magic. Go to runwayml.com and try it out for yourselves. And last but not least, 11 Labs, an AI voice generator that sounds like a real human. You can use it for voiceovers, audiobooks, or even clone your own voice. Listen to this. The AI just cloned my voice and is reading this text for me. Try it for free at 11labs.io. And there you have it. 5 amazing AI tools you can use right now for free. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tools, tutorials, and AI trends. Stay ahead of the future. See you in the next video.